Alright guys, so we have a reel over here, 2500 Fuego, and we have OEM knob, pretty boring looking handle knob rather. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to pop this plastic plate out, and we simply just put a pointy object in there and pop it out, just like that. Leave that aside, and inside we have Phillips screw. Okie dokie. Put that aside over there. Okay. So that's how easy it is to get the old knob off. Pretty simple. And right over here there is a small washer which you want to leave in place right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. So we're going to leave that in place, and let's open up the new package, the Gomexus. So inside we have the fitting kit, and what we will be using are two bearings from here. The rest of this stuff we won't need, because this knob is a direct fit for the Fuego. So that's the new knob. Yep. It's a pretty little thing. What we want is to get two of these bearings. There you go. And we're just gonna pop the first one on here. Then I'm going to pop the second one in here. Okay. Press that in. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's in. Now we just simply put this screw back in. And final step is to simply just put the top cover off. And there you go guys, the fastest and easiest handle upgrade that I've ever done. Looks good too. it feels nice. Has good grip, just the right size. Well guys, I hope that you found this video useful. Please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button guys. And we thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Catch you guys soon. Peace.